Hello guys, Noor here.
Today we have a big news for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is about the increase of its memory, and the price has bent my mind. According to the leaker Revigness, the Galaxy S24 Ultra could have up to a whopping 2TB of storage built in. This puts it in direct competition with Apple's iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, which are also rumored to offer 2TB of storage. Also, the S24 Ultra will come with 12GB of RAM for its 256GB model or higher. And if Samsung decides to make a 128GB version, it will be equipped with 8GB of RAM. And as for the estimated price, and that's assuming the S24 Ultra price remains the same as of the S23 Ultra. The 1TB S24 Ultra will cost around $1,600, and a 2TB model could easily cost $2,000 or more. The good news is that if there was a 128GB version, the starting price could be around $1,100 to match the price of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's it for today guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to get all the news and rumors. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.